Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, friends and students. Let's start a new design. How to learn this one? Today we are going to learn or design a background in a very simple process. Let's start. Let's choose the pen tool. This one. We are going to draw a object or a design in this wave shape. Let's close it. Give it a blue color. Let's add a box of the same size of the page. Double click on this icon. Here a box will appear. Select blue color, right click on it. Power clip, press on the box. The selected area will be inserted inside the blue object we created by double clicking on this tool. Let's draw another shape like this one. Also, you have to make it like this. Upper side of this design like this one. Alt, this one here. Let's press F2, F10 and make a round. Give it a blue color. Do the same process. Right click, power clip inside this box. Let's move another design over it. We start it from here. Give it a this one. Now we are going to add a wave like curve shape like here, a little bit wider. Short this here, wider on this side, and let's close the path. Add blue color in the object, right click, let's F10, give a little bit shape much better. Rectangle curves in a good position. As it completes, right click and power clip in the box. Now the most important tool, blend tool, a very creative process. So I draw a line like this. Let's give a silver color, and same line we draw here like this one, this like this, here and here. Give also it a silver color. Select a line, and now we are going to select the tool, blend tool. From this line drag to this line. Here a beautiful curvature is added. We add some, give it a white color, yeah, some gray color. Gray color is much better. Let's Control K, group it, Control G, and place it inside, power clip inside this box. A beautiful banner is ready. Now you can background this design in any process. If you want to add some other details, it's up to you. Like this, I am going to add some graphic elements to give the design a little bit more charming look. Press Alt and select the under layer and add some orange color here like this. Yeah, these little detail boost up the designs, elevate it. So a beautiful background design is ready. Stay tuned, uh, subscribe our channel, like our videos and share it. Learn more and more techniques on daily basis. Stay tuned, take care, goodbye.